Lahi ne alƙawarin naira miliyan 1 ga duk wanda ya yanko min kan wannan mutumin. Miliyan 1 ce cash. Kai idan ma wanda zai yanko kan wannan yana ganin cewa miliyan 1 ta masa kaɗan, ka yanko kai min kuɗin tsiya in ƙara maka kan wannan miliyan 1.
Dearly beloved brothers and sisters in Christ, this is an Islamic cleric, a Muslim preacher, a malam that preaches. This is a mosque. He is placing a 1 million naira ransom on the head of this Christian brother for anybody that can kill this Christian brother and cut his neck and bring for him. Hi. Northern Christians, we dey see you.
All right, this is one of the most controversial Islamic cleric. I stopped uploading his videos. I used to use his videos to do some explanation. I used to use his video to do reference before, but it's like either his people or he himself now focus on my channel, in the sense that anytime I'm talking about the hate he have for Christians, how he preaches against Christians, call them infidel, call for their killing, saying Arabakai, that they should divide Nigeria fast, that they don't want to live with Ngozi, Ifoma, and so on and so forth. You'll be calling names, like all those things. Anytime I come to those videos and use them for reference, they will always bring the video down from my YouTube channel. So I don't know who is actually doing it. So I saw this yesterday, and I saw that the same man is putting a bounty of 1 million naira on a head of a pastor, an evangelist. Why? Because it's the same thing that I used to do before, condemning what he's saying, calling for the killing of Christians and so on and so forth. That is the same thing this evangelist did. And, I'm not going to call the name for some security reasons. He's putting bounty on his head. So if I call his name and so many things, it might even expose the man more. So the man said that anybody that will kill this pastor or this evangelist, that he is going to give him 1 million naira. But this is also an imam, close to his mosque. We have thousands, tens of thousands of Amajiri people who are homeless, helpless, and hungry, looking for where to survive. So this man have 1 million naira that he can't even use to feed the people in the street. So what sort of cleric are you? What do you stand for? These are such people that are not supposed to be allowed to live among the society. This man is a threat, not just a threat to Christianity, a threat to civilization, a threat to human life, who give you the right to put bounty on people's head, to declare people wanted, on which authority? And let me tell you this. The DSS knows this man. The police knows this man. They are aware of his atrocities, his videos, whatever things he has been doing online. They are aware of it. You know what? They have never invited this man. They have never arrested this man. They have never done anything against this man. But guess what? People who say less of things. Do you know what this man is doing? Putting bounty on people's head, calling for people to kill the man. What did the man do? The man is trying to caution you not to spread hate, not to call for the killing of Christians and so on and so forth. That is just all. And you are now putting bounty on his head. Don't try that nonsense, to a person that thinks like me. If you do that, no matter whom you are, that bounty is on you. That bounty you are showing people, that you are putting on people's head to kill them, you're already putting it on your head. Don't try it with some people. Okay? I don't really know why. You see this man that he's putting bounty on his head right now, the man may not react. The man may not even act. The man may just even go hiding. If you want to survive in Nigeria, you must put away such mentality. Yes, we all are going to die. There is no need fearing death any longer. If someone hit you, hit him back. If someone threaten you, threaten the person back. If someone put bounty on your head, double the bounty and put it back on his head, because you don't have a government who supposed to rise to the responsibility or to the occasion of bringing such person to book. You don't have a working nation. You provide your security, provide light, provide everything for yourselves. We provide everything for ourselves. What is actually the primary responsibility of the government? They can't give you school. They can't give you light. They can't give you security of lives and property. They can't give you finance. They can't give you a job. What else is government good for? Until this man will be brought to book, any further statement from him will attract the same thing he's wishing for others. So this is not a threat, it's a promise. It is not a threat, it's a promise. Any man that will come out and put bounty on pastor's head for no reason, and you come out individually to boast about it, you are attracting it to yourself. You are attracting it to yourself. Because in this country, everybody have to put his head high. Enough is enough of all this nonsense. Enough is enough. People will no longer tolerate threatening people, killing people, doing all sort of things. And at the end, you call yourself repentant terrorist. Such men like this are the people who are in the league of Sheikh Ahmed Gumi, who are supporting terrorism. You see, DSS, police, military don't have right to put bounty on people's head to kill them, except the court. In fact, the court will not even do that. The court will want them to put an arrest on you, an arrest warrant. They will bring you, they will judge you and sentence you before they can do anything to you. Police can put bounty just to arrest person, not to kill person. But when it comes to that level, an individual, who are you? Who do you think you are? You are just a cleric. Yes, you might be commanding terrorists around you, but you know what? It is the same death we all are going to die. So there is no need to fear either you're terrorist or you yourself. No need to fear whatever things you are doing. Enough is enough of all this shit. Anyway, we are still watching. We are still waiting. This video is almost 2 weeks. No arrests have been made. Nothing. And no, normal people now. We keep on going as if everything is well. But in the real sense, nothing is well. Nothing is well. Terrorists controls Nigeria. Terrorists controls our environment. Terrorists control everything you think you know. It is being controlled by terrorists. That is what is giving them this mindset. That I can come out to boast. I can come out to threaten anybody. I can come out to do whatever I want to do. This man have never come out and put bounty on anybody who is a Muslim. He have never put bounty on Boko Haram. He have never put bounty on ISWAP. He's putting bounty on an evangelist, another religious cleric, who come out to oppose you that stop hate, stop the hate speech, stop all this derogatory statement you are making from the pulpit. Stop it. So, this man is being motivated by the terrorists around him. Like, he's boasting with the terrorists around him, the links he have with the government, and probably some change, tens of millions of naira that he have. That's what he's just using to boast. But to your tent, oh Christians in Nigeria, it's either you live up to the expectation of your people or you perish. Nobody is coming to save you. It's either you rise up to save yourself or you perish. If I am Christian Association of Nigeria president or leader, such a man will never try that, because they knows that any statement from him like this is going to be met with equal force. Not just an arrest, not just the way we escalate it, that you and Islamic Cleric is putting bounty on another Christian head because he said you should stop what you are doing. You put bounty on his head to kill him. Like, you will not rest. And I will use you as an example that nobody will make such statement. But unfortunately, we don't have any association representing Christians in Nigeria. All we have are weak people who are politically motivated people calling themselves Christians, PFMs. All those things are political party. It's not a pressure group. It's not a religious group. Anyway, I rest my case. This is highly condemnable. It should be condemnable.
Wallahi ne alƙawarin naira miliyan 1 ga duk wanda ya yanko min kan wannan mutumin. Miliyan 1 ce cash. Kai idan ma wanda zai yanko kan wannan yana ganin cewa miliyan 1 ta masa kaɗan, ka yanko kai min kuɗin tsiya in ƙara maka kan wannan miliyan 1.
Dearly beloved brothers and sisters in Christ, this is an Islamic cleric, a Muslim preacher, a malam that preaches. This is a mosque. He is placing a 1 million naira ransom on the head of this Christian brother for anybody that can kill this Christian brother and cut his neck and bring for him. Hi. Northern Christians, we they see you. In fact, he's even saying that the 1 million naira, if the person that will kill this brother, the 1 million naira is small, the person should let him know. Just bring the head. Just the same way they ask for the head of the Baptist. He is asking for the head of this Christian brother. I don't know what joined them together, but he is always spilling trash about Christians. I am sure this brother must have given him back his own poison that he cannot take. So he's placing a ransom. Where Alemanji did them full street, a family member said they way they die for hungry. He no carry 1 million naira rehabilitate them, but in they carry 1 million naira. Say anybody will go fit kill this Christian brother. He go give him 1 million. If you 1 million too small, he go add more. And DSS never come arrest him. DSS never come pick him. Then when I say make Christians more continue to be silent, that if we are silent, there will be peace. Silence is not golden. Silence is cowardice. Una say una no want peace. Aura for aura. Anyhow una want time. Na so we will give una. Then ta'adak away. This one na preacher. This one na preacher. Openly telling the whole world. See this religion now. Tomorrow somebody will come and tell us that this religion is religion of peace. Una not even the shame for a preacher like this of una religion, where they openly say make them keep person. So una religion they permit all this kind of thing.